Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home security with a review of the ANKKE C500 security camera. We'll dive deep into its features, performance, and whether it lives up to its claims. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the unboxing experience. Inside the package, you'll find the user manual, along with mount bracket, a helpful drill template, an alert sticker, and hexagon socket screw key, mounting screws, and the camera itself. However, keep in mind that you'll need to purchase additional equipment before you can get this camera up and running, such as an Ethernet cable and a power adapter if you don't have PO support. Now let's take a closer look at the ANKKE C500. The camera boasts a sharp 5-megapixel resolution, providing crisp and clear images thanks to its exclusive OmniVision sensor. Plus, its ultra-wide 2.8mm lens ensures fewer blind spots, capturing more of your surroundings. The turret design of the ANKKE C500 is not only sleek, but also allows for easy adjustability to find that perfect angle. Once set, the camera stays firmly in place, ensuring consistent monitoring without any unwanted movements. This camera has some impressive features worth mentioning. With support for 265+ encoding, you can enjoy longer recordings without sacrificing video quality. The EXI or night vision provides clear images up to 100 feet, and it can capture color footage in low light conditions. When it comes to storing your video footage, the ANKKE C500 offers two options. You can use a micro SD card up to 256GB for local storage, or you can connect it to an ANKKE NVR for continuous recording. Enough talk, let's see the camera in action. We prepared some live sample videos to showcase its daytime and nighttime performance so you can get a better idea of its image quality and night vision capabilities. For those concerned about outdoor performance, the IP67 weatherproof rating of the ANKKE C500 puts those worries to rest. This camera can withstand harsh weather conditions, so whether it's raining or shining, it'll keep on working. The ANKKE Vision app for Android and iOS devices is a handy tool for remote access and monitoring. You can receive real-time push notifications when threats are detected, and managing recordings, snapshots, and playback is all made easy through the app. If you're looking for a camera that performs well in both day and night conditions, and you don't mind investing a little extra effort in setup, the ANKKE C500 could be a good addition to your home security strategy. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and useful tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.